every day in the 100-acre wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Getting on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday!
Well, thank you, Piglet. First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
Hey, Piglet!
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Pooh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Hooray!
Happy birthday, Pooh!
I'm sure you'll find my present to be quite delicious.
Goodness gracious!
You'll never guess what it is. The wonderful thing about you is you give the bestest presents.
Oh, that was fun.